Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please like, share and subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, most of all welcome. So Scandal has returned to a 5-day per week schedule, and it has been reported that some people are forgetting to watch weekend episode. In July, Scandal started a 7-day per week broadcast, and they said they wanted to keep us warm and entertained during winter nights. Starting from Monday to September 2024, expect new characters and families. Scandal is promising us new interesting storylines with new cast members Londeka Sishi, Kwenzo Ngobo and Nopumelelo Mhlongo. Anyway, it's better this way because we are busy over the weekend. Most of the people, they don't have DSTV catch up, so I think it's better for us to have free weekends. We understand there's a lot of competition with Skeem Saam and other soapies, but I think weekends should be out on soapies. I don't know what you guys think about this move, but I think it's best for everyone. And who was watching during the weekend, you can comment in the comment section. For those who haven't subscribed, please make sure that you're subscribed.